Recording. Third flight. No, this is the third flight.
Yeah, but you said it was third flight.
No.
Maiden flight.
Third flight.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Here goes Virgil's fast plane.
It's not fast.
Jet fast.
200 miles per hour.
Yeah, only go 200 miles per hour.
Take a break.
Here it goes.
Kind of wild there, Virgil.
Oh,
Kind of wild.
I fly up. That's your next plane on.
No! Yeah.
Give him a couple minutes.
I want to see that. I want to see that one. That one either. Oliver might be able because he's young. He's got good eyes still. Yeah. At 9, maybe at 10, it'll be fast jets, you know.
Yeah. Thanks. Okay, let's decide how to land it.
Good job again.
Every day.
Usually about every night if the winds are, you know, if the weather's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, nice one.
Okay.
Right, yeah.
Really great. Nice. Okay, stop it. Not too fast. That's almost just a tiny.